Cylink is a product that sits in the Revit environment to take all of the HVAC services from SciMap that have been developed from the floor plans and turns them into a fully coordinated 3D layout. Whether it's piping runs, ductwork layouts, hot and cold water services and gas, or lighting schemes and layouts. These can be exported to Cylink and turned into a fully coordinated 3D system. Cylink works by applying an add-on which is installed to Revit 2017 and Revit 2018, which enables the engineer to select the SciMap project, to select the services they want to import. Services can be imported all at once, or using the tabs can be imported separately for coordination purposes. Each system is separately identified with an entry point reference, which can then be selected for import. The Revit API then reconstructs all of the ductwork as a fully coordinated 3D layout. Sections and elevations can also be set up by the engineer to suit requirements. As a result of the 3D layouts, floor plans and drawings can also be applied, where you get a fairly good quality layout as a result of the 3D import. Pipe services can also be imported on a system by system basis. Pipe fittings can also be applied using generic symbols and mapped to the symbols from SciMap. So for example, a commissioning valve used in SciMap has its equivalent library part in Revit based on the template libraries that we provide. A mixture of SciMap provided and Revit provided libraries form the basis of all of the pipe materials and fittings. Cold water services and gas can also be applied, where the fitting types can be applied also. So in this case you could choose between compression or soldered fittings. Also the routing preferences are set up using Revit to make sure you have your correct fitting requirements. Light fittings can also be included with all the system references and descriptions, and electrical loadings will also populate the Revit model. By employing the use of Cylink, a lot of time is saved by, instead of drawing the services based on original markups from the engineer, the Revit API reconstructs in 3D all of the single line routes from SciMap and recreates the drawings in the Revit environment. This means that instead of drawing, you're essentially coordinating layouts, saving a lot of time.